Welcome back to the channel, and this should be a relatively simple fix, but perhaps useful to people who may encounter the same sort of problems and not really sure how to go about fixing it. And what it is, this is a 3D sound card, in fact, that plugs into the USB of a computer, and then you plug your headphones in or a microphone, and it does a good little job really. But this one's got an issue, and that is that you only get one earpiece with sound and the other one doesn't come through. Try different headphones, it's certainly this that's the problem, and it's the connector here. So what I'm going to do is take it apart, have a look, see if there's any obvious damage, and see if the pins are bent or whatever, or been pushed out of the way, and get this thing going again. So as I say, to take it apart, and there's no screws on it, so I might actually be able to do it right now. Yeah, just fell apart. Well, that's great in a way. It's stayed together for about the past, what, 4 years I think I've had this. Anyway, so it's that green one that's got, oh, I can see now, I've just turned it sideways and looked through the camera. I think, yeah, that's loose there. Well, the other thing I was going to say was about looking inside and having a look at those pins, but I think we've found the issue there. Yes, it's come away, which will relate to one side of the headphones. Now, looking at the top of this, where the pins come through, you can see that these two both look pushed up compared to this one, which hasn't ever been used for microphone. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to desolder this one and replace it with that one. Yeah, it's not a bad idea. So I desoldered the green one, and that allowed a chance to see the actual connections on that top surface, which is where the pins actually do connect. So they got cleaned up and fresh solder added. And you can also see the back there, how that's not where they connect, it's on the other side. Desoldered the yellow one, and then put the yellow one into the green one's place, and all done. I've now plugged it into the computer and it's flashing away, which should mean it's working. So I'm going to listen to these speakers, see if it comes out, and I think I'll watch my favourite YouTube channel. Let's see. I mean, there's some distance there too, forwards and backwards. There we go. Quite impressed. Yep. Oh, I'm delighted. So of course, with two of them on there, and this thing. Right, so yes, with the fact that we didn't ever use the microphone input and swap that one across, slightly unconventionally I guess, but it does work, it's back to running, and headphones will be able to be used again. So, great. Okay, thanks very much for watching.